Here I'm at the Credai, India, Hyderabad. This is at Novotel, Hitex, Credai, Hyderabad. You can see very well decorated. And I see a huge crowd. The entry is now owned by the Aparna Group. They have captured the entry. Their stall is here, Aparna Homes. Quite good footfall. This is the Aparna. You see all their stalls here. We'll move inside slowly. This is Aparna Frontier, Aparna Bhumi. So they are promoting their plots, their villa from Xenon. Tivoli, Naturalistic, Zycon, Marigold. This is the entry. Now here we see all the booths. This is the My Home stall here, My Home group. The My Home Sayuk, Vipina, Grava, Raka. That is APAS. I don't know what is that. Akrida, Avali. This is My Home stall or corner, whatever. This is Cyber City. And here you see the Ramki Towers, Ramki group here. This is Anvita group. We'll talk to few later, but right now I'm just giving you a walkthrough of the whole place. This is Janpriya. Then we have the Vasavi group here. Can you see that? I didn't bring my gimbal, so maybe it's shaky. Ramki you saw, right? Satwa is doing great near the Neopolis area. Financial district Neopolis. Why is blinking? Makuta. There is the Brigade group. Here is the Raj Puspa Eternia, Provincia, and Imperia, Casa, Aurelia. So here it is, the Raj Puspa group. Provincia, Imperia, Prestinia, Casa, Aurelia, Infina. Nice. This is Vasavi again here. Vertex. I'm giving you the walkthrough. You can see the people here. Too much crowded. Nice footfall. There's a free tea here with the Prosperity group. Prosperity. They are giving free tea in cooler. Hence the crowd. Nam Sri group. Now we need to go this side again. So now we came one round towards the back side. Here was the entrance. My Home group, Cyber City. Now we are near Revasa. I heard the name first time, believe me. I'm from Hyderabad doing real estate, but I didn't hear it before. Revasa. Raghuram. Jain construction. Jain's construction. Is this the same Jain's? I doubt. This is not the same Jain's. Mayfair. Here is Urjita. Homeland. That is Homeland. Urjita. Then we have, this is the new thing. Mayfair is good. Mayfair I've heard. Urban Rise. South India's largest real estate developer. Everybody claims to be the same. Urban Rise. Okay, this is Krish. Krish Group. They have their projects, commercial and even residential projects. Okay, this My Home Krish is like a joint venture with Krish Group and My Home Group, I think so. I didn't knew that. Nice. Now we move forward. Radhe Group. We have been to their site twice before. They are okay, doing good. In Patancheru area, they have their site just beside Cardium School. SMR Builders. Indus. Not that popular here in Hyderabad, but My Home Krish is very famous. It's just near the Krish Sapphire building. Apollo Telehealth was there in Krish Sapphire, right? Urjita. Now we move towards the second hall. Okay. Here we enter the second hall. Revasa. This is the CM of Telangana. His deadly smile. Oh, this is the second hall. All the gatherings are happening here. This is Legeria, Levonor. I don't think this is an Indian company. 1 minute from ORR exit to Kollur, Telapur. I've been to Telapur several million, 100 times. I didn't see there. Geethika, Velimela. This is again in Kollur. I think this site is all dedicated to Kollur and Telapur. This is Tridasa Rise. Tridasa. This is My Home Tridasa. Or some other. I don't know. This is another one. I think this is near Nalagandla. Tridasa Rise, Nalagandla. 10 acres. Credai Hyderabad property show. And here we enter the third hall. Pranit Group. Okay, we'll come here later. This is a place by Pradeep Construction. Pradeep Construction. The interior is done quite well with all the art and craft and display of paintings, photography. Looks very creative. This is Abham. What is Abham? Superior design, quality, craftsmanship, sustainable innovation, prime location. Sangrila Infra. Okay. The company's name is Sangrila Infra from the house of Bolineni. Okay, this is the Bolineni construction. We have it near the Botanical Gardens. Okay. There are new constructions coming up. New site is coming up somewhere. We'll check at Kismatpur near ORR exit number at Kismatpur. You see that? Kismatpur near ORR exit number 18. Okay. Now here we come to RV Nirman Private Limited. RV Nirman. You saw this, right? Ispira, Transform, Noken. Noken is more like a... Yeah, I knew that. This is a fitting and interior company. Noken. Right. We are moving back. We're moving out. Sandoha projects. You have seen this. I like this. They're brick style design. Bridge Epsilon. Maybe they is the founder. This Casa Grande, and I see Ganguly, Saurav Ganguly here. Maybe he's the brand ambassador. Casa Grande. Pranit Group. Pranit Group is in Miapur. They have their site in Miapur, JNTU, Hydernagar. We are local to Hyderabad. Now we go to the back side. Here are the Ace Ventures apartment villas and malls. They are into malls also, and I have not heard about them. Ace Ventures, India Private Limited. Nice. Here we have Vision Infra, Vision Arsha, Vision Infra. Okay, General. Okay, this is not an infra company. This is a maybe appliances store. This is for open plots. JB Infra Group. They are selling open plots. Where you from? Crowded. I don't know why the security, Hyderabad City Security Council has put their stall here. GHMC has a stall here as well, and the Telangana RERA group has their stall as well. The registration and stamps department, Telangana Fire Disaster Response, DRF. Nice, they are doing good job. Right now he's watching his mobile, but they are doing good job on the road during the flood and high rain. RoboTouch. Okay, they are also doing good work in the societies. They install these massage seats, sofas with several options to get you relaxed, but I don't know how much it is working in the societies. It is feasible or not. Need to check in. These are again the appliances store. Telangana Pollution Control Board. Nobody's here. Telangana Cyber Security. Again, they are monitoring the stall via cyber, maybe through the internet. Nobody's here. Credai Hyderabad. They are busy conducting the event. Myron Homes. Yeah, I have been to their event when there was Myron Homes launch. Home Convention Center. I have met this guy here. This person, Myron Homes. Right? They had launched in Home Convention few months back. Manneguda. And we have Brihaspati. What is this? This is security. A tea and coffee stall. Holosys. Holosys is hologram advertisement. You can create your own hologram advertisement. Nice, but is old now. And backside we have not so great stalls, but I'll just give you a quick run through. This is ICICI Bank. This is some kind of fittings, pipes and fittings. Modi Builders. This is again a builder which is I think he lost his way and he got back. The most lost place for his stall. Modi Builders. No builder is here. Oh, we have a Pavani group here. And then elevators. Sneha elevator. I don't know how they are competing with Snyder's and others. Adani Cement. Cement is also here. Wow, nice. Central Bank of India for the loan. Arrow. I don't know what is Arrow. Daikin again. AC. Okay, these are again art. Arrow, art and origin. And this, you see here, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is most authentic snacks corner. Right? Genesis. And this is again some Bobcat for building construction. So this is it, and now we are heading towards the exit. Thank you, my dear friends. Stay connected. Until next time, bye bye.